Hey everyone, look how green and lush everything is. We had some rain overnight and we've had very hot days. Just how beautiful it is down by the river. The ducks are all lying in the grass. They're getting, I think they've all got, I wonder if they've got chicks, little ducklings. Won't go too close just in case they've got babies. They look like they're peering off though. Hi guys. Look how they wriggle their little tails. Hi. Here's a little couple. You're on your own. You're a little bit solo. Oh, that's a very nice dance. Then we've got these two. So I'm guessing they are nesting. Just don't want to go lower. I have to go down this way. This big puddle. Lucky I put my gum boots on. Oops! So how is everybody? It's been a long time since I did a live because I've been very busy this year doing lots of activation work, new earth activations, self-discovery series. Just been absolutely magnificent. The information that's been come through and the beautiful channelings. It's just beautiful. You know, you don't know yourself until you do a self-discovery series and discover your background and who you truly are. Yes, you can be in your ego and say you're this, that and the other like a lot of people are doing. Especially on their profiles, I'm noticing that a lot now. A lot of fake light workers and ego profiles. But until you do the work, wow, it's just so empowering. So you can just see the river. Usually I'm on that other side over there. But I've done a different little trip today. And there's wild foxglove growing. Look at the beautiful foxglove. Isn't it beautiful? So I don't know how long this connection's going to last for. So it'll be interesting to see who jumps on. But I just thought I'd go for a little walk and a wander. It's nice and cool today, just really pleasant to walk and to spend time in nature and do some grounding. It's an interesting time, that's for sure. The energies have calmed down again, which is really good. They've been pretty frantic since the 11:11 gateway, which was a mass awakening energy. And us, the light workers that are already awake, have felt the intense energy of the collective. And there's like that whole awakening process coming upon us because a lot of people will be feeling very, very confused. The trees over there. There's a school camp over the other side so you can hear children. Hi ducks! So a lot of people have been confused. A lot of people have been depressed because they're finding out the truth. I mean, you know what it's like yourself when you first find out that everything you've been taught is a lie. There's anger, there's frustration, there's confusion, there's depression, there's, well, who am I? What are we? You know, are we in a matrix? Are we in a, you know, are we in a jail? Are we in, you know, it's all these kind of things that you start questioning. And we've been picking up on it and feeling it because we're the ones that are going to do the healing. We'll do the healing and help them. Geez, it's very brown today. A lot of mud. I've just got my waterproof jacket on and it keeps slipping down. I've got it tied around my waist. So if you hear me shuffling, that's retying it so it doesn't fall off. I want to do a foraging workshop because I think this is wild spinach. I need to find out. I do have an identification app where you take a photo of the plant and then it tells you what it is. This whole tree. Up, 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 up. So we're coming up to the 1212 Gateway, which is very important for all of us. It's to find your true purpose, your true calling, who you really are in service. Many of you have got multiple roles, and it's your main role, your purpose, and that's what the 1212 Gateway is about this time round, which allows the abundance to flow once you're in your true purpose. If you're not in your true purpose and you're struggling, you're not creating the abundance that's supposed to come naturally, because you haven't done the work, you haven't done the inner work to find out who you really are and where you're going and who you truly are. And that's what the 1212 Gateway is about. It's about your purpose and about who you truly are. And if you're doing your work that's bringing in abundance, well then you're living by your purpose that you signed on the dotted line before you came. This is Kākaua. It's ancient medicine. See the holes in the leaves? It's a beautiful medicine plant. There's so much of it. That's the one that gives the New Zealand natural pepper. And it's beautiful pepper when you collect it from the flower. It's nicer than normal black pepper. So I'm just strolling down by the river. I don't know how much signal I've got. But this is just a beautiful walk, and I just felt I needed to get out today and do some walking now the sun's gone and the rain's been. You can see the crystal rain has landed on the grass. So you can see the little crystal bubbles, the droplets. Crystal rain. That's what it's called. So I hope everyone's well. So we've got some exciting stuff coming up with the 1212. What's in here? It's birdies moving. Look at that, it's just beautiful. Some more Kākaua. One's a female, one's a male, and I can't remember which one it is that provides the pepper. I think it's the female. Very good medicine. So it's a beautiful day today. It's just nice and cool. Not too much rain. And we're just strolling, having some time out, enjoying the peace and quiet. This is a nice time of day. No one's down here. Just beautiful. Little walkways. I'm not sure if this is someone's property. Most likely it is, but look at it. Just goes for miles. Look at this. Another beautiful medicine and food source. And I've got some growing in my garden. It's just beautiful. It's called wild fennel. And this is, oh wow, look at this, wild carrot. The true carrot. The true carrot plant. Anyone's welcome here anytime. Aotearoa is the country of peace. Since we've had the rain, the river's really moving fast. Look at that. But it's very brown today. And to think this is just on my doorstep. I don't know how far in I can go without losing signal. So I just thought I'd get you to see how beautiful it is. Look in here. Little cubby holes. Our ancestors would have set up house in there. Oh, here comes the rain. May have to put my jacket on. More wild carrot. More wild carrot. See, it's very much like the top of the carrot plant. But underneath that is a carrot. Is that wild mint? It is wild mint. Do you know what? Someone's had the foresight down here many years ago, some ancestor person, and planted all these beautiful plants that we can now eat and forage. Wow. So how is everyone? How's everyone going? I'm going to set up the tripod so you can just see the view. How's that? Oh, I'll put my jacket on. Oh. It's falling down. Not sure if you saw me. Here I am. No snakes, no poisonous spiders. We're clear here. Nothing horrible that can hurt or bite. There is supposedly one poisonous spider, the white-tailed spider. It's got a white tip on the tail and it can do a nasty bite, which I've had before. Look at this tree, people. Look at it. Isn't it just beautiful? All these little gem areas. And one area I've got fennel, carrot and mint. I hope you like hanging out with me. See the beautiful walkway? The beautiful walkway, peeps. Someone's got a saw going. It's where I usually walk along there, around that side of the river. The trees are falling down over there. New Zealand native bush at its best. Stand up now. So it's a bit jumpy because I'm playing with it. There's a wild foxglove. Just popped up by itself. How beautiful is that? So so much here. The flax that they use for weaving. Weaving baskets in their day when they were collecting their food, their medicine. We used to do weaving classes at school. Yeah, I spy another fox club. Can you see it? Just in there. There it is. Very English, aren't they, the foxgloves? I would say the English settlers, when they first came, they would have brought them with them, the seeds. Wow, the water is up really high today. Look at this. Look how high it is. And this is the flower, but it's finished. That sits on the flax. See at the top there? Need to put my hood on, it's starting to spit. Archways. There's a bird's nest up there, look at that. Just there. So, a lot of people come running along here. This is actually a bike track, Jeanette. It's actually officially a bike track. So you have to move to the side when the bikes come in. They have the way. A lot of people walk and run through here, do their exercise. Keep losing connection that far down, so I have to go back up this way. Back the way we came. It's just nice to be out today. Unfortunately, it does get a disease, the flax. Gets the black spot like the roses get. Wow, look at those pine trees up there. Huge. So yeah, it's beautiful out here. Do little new earth activations. Usually I'm channeling when I'm walking along. Asking questions to my team, you know, what's going on in life, what's happening with the world, any updates that I need to have for myself. It's just, you know, one with one energy. It's just beautiful. Trees, you can feel them, they're alive. Their frequency is beautiful. Just walking through here makes you happy, activates all your frequency, activates hormones. You know, it's just so healthy. You know, they always say, you know, if you're feeling down or if you have a mental illness of some sort or depression, go for a walk, because look at the change. It just makes you feel so beautifully alive and connected. And that's what grounding is about. Staying grounded. Feeling Mother Gaia's energy. She nurtures you. The feminine energy of Gaia. She will never let you down. She nurtures you. And I spy another foxglove. How many have we seen? Look at this beautiful specimen. Oh, you're beautiful. Look how many trumpets are on there. How stunning. Wow. My foxglove are out at home. Those little trumpets on the foxglove, we did an activation with them and we learned all about the foxglove and meditation, and every little trumpet is coded with frequency to heal the insects and to activate the bees. So the bees get activated. Bridge through there. I didn't know that. Wow. I never knew that was there. See if we can see it. Look. Have to go through the bush, people. See this? This must have been one of the old original bridges that went over the river. It's all collapsed. Wow. Yeah, it's kind of collapsed. Unless it goes to someone's property, I'm guessing. Wow. Whoop. Under the trees we go. Hi ho, hi ho. Ah. How beautiful this is. Can you hear the birds, the native birds? Had the tui to start off with. If it's beautiful bird frequency. Oh, starting to get a bit heavy now, this rain. But that's okay. It's good for you. I've got my hood on. So I'm coming back to the end again because I can't go all the way down. The signal doesn't allow it, so that's okay. That tree is magnificent. Looks like an elephant trunk. That's what they're called, a trunk. They're connected to the elephant frequency, the trees. And you can see why. Because of the trunk. See the trunk? It's an elephant trunk. And they are connected to that same frequency, the elephant. Wow. Look at this pattern on this side where it's lost some. So I hope everyone's enjoyed this. Beautiful space, isn't it, people? Just to enjoy, to relax. Lemurian energy. The smell and the air of all the wildness of nature is just beautiful. Just beautiful. The scent. As I said, a lot of the ducklings have been born, but a lot of the ducks are still nesting. So they're having a late season, obviously. Because when I first got down here, they were laying in the grass doing their nesting thing. Lots of wild, beautiful flowers out. Clover. Wild spinach. Not sure what that is. I think it's called something lace. Beautiful foxglove. Beautiful time of the year to collect wild flowers. Buttercups. You just feel the frequency, can't you? The energy of the place. Little bird flying under there. Go down this little track. People swim here in the summer. Another angle of the river. Beautiful, is it? It's just lace. And before it comes out, look at it. That's stunning. Look at this. You can sit under here in the summer and be protected from the beautiful tree. It is. It's just... look at that. How's that for a shot? Just being one with nature. Another foxglove. I think we've seen quite a few today. It's exciting. The birds are spreading the seeds. Look at this one hidden away under here. He's stuck by the branch. He wants to be free. Be free. Foxglove. There you go. Yeah, he's free now. He was stuck behind that little bit of branch, so he wasn't able to do his job properly. Hopefully the bees will find you. There you go. Just free him up a bit. Put that over there like that. There you go. What's this plant? Now that looks like medicine. You know how you get that instinctive feel? That's medicine. Look at all the buttercups, people. Aren't they just beautiful? We did a buttercup activation and look at them all. They're all coming up again. How stunning are you? Beautiful little buttercups everywhere. That's good to see. Yay! They all get along. Different races, different breeds. Oh, you're a bit wobbly. Look at this tree, the way it's curving. Wow. Then it curves that way. It's actually stopped raining, but I couldn't go any further down into the bush because I was losing signal. So I'm all covered up because it's raining, and I didn't want to get wet. He's in the middle of the road now, and here come 3 little ducks wanting to get to know me because they're hungry, and I've got no seed for you. So how beautiful is this? I think it's actually stopped raining now, so I put my hood down. But I just wanted to share with you just how beautiful it is down here on a rainy day in the beginning of summer. I'm going to show you something. This is so sweet. Look. Here they come. Duckies. Duck, duck. So yeah. I hope you've enjoyed it. My hair's a bit damp. I'll show you the shot where, oh, here it comes again, I can feel it. Just through here, where I park my car, and it's just such a pretty view. The view. So I'll go now. But much love and many blessings to you all, that you feel healthy and loved and one with one connection. that life is giving you everything that you ask for in abundance, that you're finding your true purpose, that you truly are connected with what you're supposed to be doing, helping the new earth to come in and create this new planet of love, light, vibration. I just can't wait now. It's all coming together. You can see it so closely. It's just so beautiful to know that it's all happening very soon, and you can feel it in the frequencies, you can feel it in the disclosure that's happening everywhere. We've all been working so hard and effortlessly to, you know, make things good for ourselves and for our future generations, because everything that happens here affects the other planets. It all reflects the energy. So take care, much love. Many blessings to you all, as I said before. So I heard that we shouldn't be saying blessings. I'm not sure what it's meant by that, but as I have said before, if you're using the English language, and they said that it's all, I can take that on, no I can't. You know, they say it's all spellcasting. Well, be careful of the intention, that's all. If you use the English words with good intention rather than what it was meant for, then, you know, you're okay. You're good to go. I think the biggest thing is that we're going into a time where the language is disappearing, and we are going into a time where light language, the new earth love language, which was a combination of the alpha black beings that first came to earth and discovered earth, and Hebrew. And, you know, we're discovering the real Israel, which is Scotland, Ireland and Wales, and that was one big landmass, and it will become that way again. The reason they're doing the migration is because it's by design. They want the people to stand up for it and take it back to what it truly is, the real Israel. Alright guys, do take care, much love. Hope you enjoyed your walk with me. Bye.